this game, you'll need a set of blocks, so we're using Jenga, and then each person needs a die. For every round, each person is going to roll the die, and then whatever they get, they have to stack that many blocks high. So if I rolled a 3, I would have to stack 3 blocks high. Then the next round when we roll, we'll change it from a vertical stack to a horizontal stack. Then the next round back to vertical, then the next round back to horizontal, until only one person is left without having their towers tumble, and that person gets a point. The first person to whatever set amount of points you want to do wins. We're going to play the first person to 3 today, but if you have a large group and want it to last longer, you can play the first one till 10. One other rule, we on a few of them put some blue tape on the bottom just to mark it, and then if you happen to get one of these, instead of stacking it like this with all the other ones, you're going to switch it and do it perpendicular to them. Or if it's up high, you'll switch it perpendicular that way. 1, 2, 3, roll! Ooh, 5, so I'm already starting out at a little bit of a difficulty level. And a 3. Gotta make sure there's no blue. Oh, that one's blue, so again I've got to twist it perpendicular to the others. Alright, round 2.
1.
I got a 1 as well. So that's good.
Oh, yours is good.
Mine's probably gonna tumble first because it's so tall. Okay, round 3. Keep it steady, keep it steady.
2.
Oh no! Alright, so I get 1 point, so I'm going to use this to mark 1 win.
1.
Alright, round 1 again. 5 again! I have to start so high both times.
1.
Oh my goodness, I think he may win this. Alright, round 2. You ready? 5 again! Oh my gosh, at least this one's the horizontal jump.
I got 1.
You got 1 again? I definitely think he's going to win this round. Blue, so now I've got to switch directions.
Okay, let's go.
I'm still stacking.
I have my 3rd one.
6, and it's vertical. Oh my goodness, maybe we'll come back. What am I going to get? 5. So that's 3 rounds, and all 3 rounds, I've gotten a 5. So as long as he can get his to stay on this one, he gets a point. If his also goes down this round, no points are awarded because we both fell at the same time. But hopefully, he's going to get a point. He's got it. Yes! Awesome! Good job. High five!
It's a 7.
It is a sword. That's awesome. On to our 3rd point, round 1. 3. Oh, you're starting with 6. That's a hard one to start from. But I think you can do it. Ooh, it's a blue one. He's got to change direction. Whoa, barely hanging on, but you got your 6. Good job. All right, round 2.
I'm flipping over here.
1.
4.
Ooh.
3.
Ooh, look at how awesome you're doing. Oh no! And down we go. All right, so time to start another rolling.
Yes, that's please lucky.
6.
Yay!
And 5. So he definitely gets to start smaller. 3, 4, 5. All 6 of them and no blues. Oh no! Well, you win that round as long as he keeps his 5. So if you can get your 5 to stay. Oh, you got a blue on top. Oh, you got it! You get your 2nd point. Good job. Okay, here we go. The final round to determine the winner. You ready? 1, 2, 3, roll.
I hope I win.
4, 6.
Yes.
Oh no.
Thank you.
1, 2, 5, 6. No blues. No! All right. Oh, did you get your knee? Oh, bummer. Well, with a hurt knee, but you are the big winner. High five. How's your knee doing?
Good.
Is your knee okay? He's like, I won. It's feeling just fine. So that is our game. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.